Hey you! Yeah, you watching this. Did you know there's a secret trick to keep this dark layer on top your web page even when you scroll down the page? That means when you're diving into the comment section on YouTube, the lights stay off on top and you can read well the comments. But wait, you haven't installed Turn Off the Lights yet. What are you doing? Go right now to the Chrome Web Store, type in Turn Off the Lights, and smash that Add to Chrome button. Boom. Installed? Good. Here's how you activate the magic. Right-click that little gray lamp icon. Click on Options. Scroll to the bottom of the web page. And enable this checkbox. Move Theater Mode. It shows the lights off layer on top of the window. And that's it. Now, back on the YouTube page, just one click dims the entire screen. And when you scroll down, the dark layer stays right on top. If you haven't already, smash that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more hidden tips. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.